The film will feature music composed by the legend A.R. Rahman, increasing the film's potential to be a super hit. Janwa Kapoor playing the female lead role in the movie. Janwa Kapoor will be making her debut in the Telugu film industry with Junior NTR is Devara Part 1. RC is a Telugu romantic action entertainment movie directed by Bujji Babu Sanna. The movie cast Ram Charan and Janwa Kapoor in the main lead role. This film is produced by Maitri Movie Makers. Kannada superstar Shivraj Kumar playing the important role in the film. RC16 movie is all set to release in theaters in 2025. Ram Charan movie का update यानी come to I am giving information. Please support me. Thank you for watching. God bless you.